Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Last night I made a video about how to draw this. And the person actually asked me the quickest way to draw it or the best way to draw it. And either I was just thinking about it last night and I got really lucky. I just took the 3-point line and went from that node to that node. And then I held down the control button and I just did it about like right there. Then I take that object and put it in the center of the page, and I go over to my docker that's rotation docker that angled 90% 3 times. And there you have pretty much the same thing. If you watch the video from last night, which I guess I'm going to call this one part 2, I had to, bring in the circles and mirror the items and combine them. And I don't know that this, maybe I just got lucky on the very first time to get them at, because you could go maybe too far with this. Let's just try it. Hold down the control button. And, well, I think I'll just have to start a new line. But the 3-point curve line is pretty cool. Just go from node to node, and then you can move around, but then you hold down the control button and you get a more concentric. So I'm going to go a little bit further this time. So maybe I just got lucky that time. Let's see what it looks like. Whoop. When you double click, make sure you get that rotation and pop to the center. So I'm actually, if you look, I'm actually over, but you're going to fill that in and that's not going to be there. So I don't know, if it has to be precisely, and then we have to actually rotate it 45 degrees to get it on top and to make it look like the other ones, and let's make it a different color and just kind of put it in the next ones and see what happens. Anyway, 3-point curve line, pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.